Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a profitable online store with Shopify Dropshipping. Quick tutorial. Begin by researching your niche. Identify products that have demand yet low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research tools to aid your search. Next, create a business plan to outline your goals and strategies. Select a memorable name for your online store. Ensure the name reflects your niche and is easy to remember. After that, sign up for a Shopify account. Shopify offers a free trial, so you can explore its features. Choose a relevant plan that fits your budget and business needs. Once your account is set up, select a theme for your store. Shopify has numerous customizable templates to choose from. Customize your store's appearance to match your brand identity. Add your logo, adjust color schemes, and set up navigation menus. Next, add products to your store. Research suppliers through platforms like AliExpress and Oberlo. Import products to your Shopify store, ensuring descriptions are clear and engaging. Set competitive prices, taking into account your costs and desired profit margin. Configure your payment gateways. Shopify supports various payment methods, including credit cards and PayPal. Make sure to enable multiple currencies if you plan to sell internationally. Set up shipping options. Define your shipping rates, considering free shipping to boost sales. Implement appropriate shipping strategies based on your target audience's location. Now, optimize your product pages for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions. Include high-quality images and engaging content to attract customers. After that, establish your store policies. Create clear return, refund, and privacy policies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.